Understanding, losing sleep over it, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, losing sleep over it. This expression is not only common but also paints a vivid picture of worry and concern. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you master it. Stay tuned. The phrase, losing sleep over it, is used to describe a situation where someone is so worried or anxious about something that it disrupts their ability to sleep. The key here is the level of concern that impacts one's normal life, particularly their sleep. This expression vividly illustrates how deep worries can affect our most basic needs, such as rest. Losing sleep over it can be used in both formal and informal contexts, but it's more commonly found in casual conversation. You can use this phrase to express your own feelings of worry or to empathize with someone else's situation. For example, if a friend is anxious about an upcoming exam, you might say, "You're really losing sleep over this exam, aren't you?" It's a way to acknowledge the depth of someone's concern or to express your own. To help you better understand how to use losing sleep over it, let's look at some examples. I've been losing sleep over the presentation next week. I want it to be perfect. She's losing sleep over her job interview. It means a lot to her. They told me not to worry about the mistake at work, but I'm still losing sleep over it. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different subjects and scenarios, making it a versatile expression in your English language toolkit. Thank you for joining us to explore the phrase, losing sleep over it. We hope this video has shed some light on how expressive and colorful the English language can be. Remember, learning these phrases not only helps you understand native speakers better but also enriches your own communication. Don't lose sleep over learning English. With practice, you'll master it in no time. See you in our next video.